These are the 5 things that affect your FICO credit score. If you're looking to buy a house soon, you need to know your credit score, but you need to know your FICO credit score. The FICO credit score is the credit score used by mortgage lenders. Let's start with the smallest. So coming in at number 5 with 10% is new credit. When I say new credits isn't a good thing. We don't want to open any new credit line. Reason being, any new credit lines are going to require a hard pull on your credit. And a hard pull 10 times out of 10 makes your credit go down. Coming in at number 4, also with 10%, is your credit mix. What type of different credit lines do you have? For example, Rooms to Go, we use that example. That's a furniture store. That's a type of retail credit card. So that's one. Car loan, that's one. Capital One or a bank, city, anything like that is a bank type credit card. So that's another one. What kind of mix do you have? Coming in at number 3 with 15% is length of credit. Never close a credit card because the length of your credit plays a big part in your credit score. Banks like Capital One are notorious for closing credit cards with zero balance. I'm speaking from experience, and I was mad too. It was one of my longest credit cards. So even if you want to pay your balance off, that's a good thing. Just pay it down and maybe use it as like a gas card, or if you have a Macy's card that you had since you were 18 and you're 28 now, just go buy a shirt, pay it back off just to keep that credit line flowing. Coming in at number 2 with 30% is credit utilization. How much of your credit cards are you actually using? For example, if you got a $10,000 limit on your credit card, the gold standard is to only use 30%, so $3,000 of that $10,000 limit. I know, easier said than done. Number 1 at 35% is payment history. Never, I mean never, have a late payment if you can avoid it. One late payment can tank your score. The goal, of course, is to never have late payments. If you wonder why maybe your score dropped significantly a year ago, that might have been the reason. And it's that simple. If you're looking to buy a house soon,